guys, good afternoon. I have a package for you guys, so let's unbox. So first I have this. This is my mom package, not for me. Hyaluronic acid. You also buy numbing cream and Dr. Pepper. Let's open this one. That's not my package. It's like this. It's a needle thingy. She does remove dark spots from the face. So this is that. She got 10 pieces in here. And this is the numbing cream. It looks like this. But I will let her open it. I don't know if it functions, but... And lastly, we have this one. This is hyaluronic acid, so I have to open this one. So let me get it open. Yes, I got it open. The plastic comes like this. Oh, this is nice. This is a serum for your face. The bottle is nice. I will be taking bottle. Look at this, guys. It's from CC. So yeah, that is all for this unboxing. Let me see how